My client came in after about 3 months of grow out looking to change up the color scheme and add some rainbows back in. The first thing I did was lighten out the roots before shaping up and cutting their hair. I then mixed up the color scheme we were going to be using with a teal base so that it could match their prom dress. No hair is too short for a rainbow, so I was so excited to add these little mini rainbows into their hair. This isn't the first time we've done mini rainbows, we've done it numerous times before, and we just always come back because we love this look so much. It was so satisfying to watch this color process. I keep the same color blue as the base even at the rainbows so that as it grows out, it looks really nice and unified. We were so obsessed with this color. It looked so cool in the sunlight, and I love the way it looks when you move it all around. I used only Pravana shades to create this look, and I used a mixture of green and aquamarine for the base. I couldn't get over how gorgeous the rainbows looked peeking through this teal color. I was so excited for their hair to be so cool at their prom. The colors looked absolutely beautiful in the natural lighting as well, and the haircut really allowed those rainbows to pop through.